how to borrow money from OPay. So if you want to borrow money from OPay, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open the application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. If not, you can also create an account. But before that, you need to make sure that you know the requirements. So to qualify for a loan, you must meet the following baseline criteria, which is you must be at least 18 years old and have a registered verified OPay account with BVN, which is bank verification number. If your account is not verified, then you won't be able to borrow money. And you need to provide a valid form of Nigerian identification, or like a driver's license or international passport. After that, make sure that you've logged in and make sure that you have a verified account. Now go with finance, which will be on the bottom. Once you're on your finance, you will have a loan option right here. In my case, I've not logged in yet. So once you've logged in, you need to go with the finance icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, and then you need to select the loan option. Then choose an available loan provider from the list, such as OCash. Select the loan amount that you need and your preferred repayment tenure. Review loan terms, interest rates, and agree to the conditions. Enter your transaction PIN to submit, and your funds will be credited shortly. That's how you can borrow money from OPay. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.